Welcome to our step-by-step guide on how to delete all story replies you've made on Instagram using your PC. With the new update, it's easier than ever to clean up your interactions and keep your profile looking clean and organized. First, open your Instagram account on your PC and navigate to the bottom left corner of the screen. Here, you'll see the More icon or 3 dots. Click on this to access additional options. Next, click on Your Activity from the menu. This will take you to a new page where you can view all of your interactions on the platform. Scroll down to the Interactions section and locate the Story Replies section. Here, you'll find a list of all the replies you've made on other users' stories. Click on the Select option to begin the deletion process. Now, select all of the replies you want to delete by clicking on each one. You can choose multiple replies at once to save time. Once you've selected all of the replies you want to remove, click on the Delete button. A confirmation message will appear asking if you're sure you want to delete these replies. Confirm the action to complete the process. And just like that, you've successfully deleted all of the story replies you've made on Instagram using your PC. Keeping your interactions clean and organized has never been easier. Thanks for watching, and be sure to subscribe to our channel for more helpful tips and tutorials. See you next time.